In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update permissions in Google Forms. This process is essential for managing who can access and edit your forms. Let's get started. First, open your browser. If you are using Google Chrome, look to the top right corner of your screen. You will see the Google Apps icon, which resembles a grid made up of squares. Click on this icon to open a menu of Google services. From this menu, find and select Google Forms. This action takes you directly to the Google Forms homepage, where you can start managing your forms. It's important to use Google Chrome for this process to ensure all features work correctly. Once you have this open, you're ready to move on. Next, open your form in Google Forms. If you have previously created forms, you will see them listed on your screen. Click on the form you wish to edit to open it. This view allows you to see all the questions and settings you have in place. It's crucial to select the correct form because updating permissions will affect access for everyone associated with it. Once your form is open, you will be able to see the options to manage its permissions. Now look for the share icon, which resembles a person with a plus sign next to them. This icon is typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this icon opens a new window where you can manage who can access your form and what permissions they have. This step is vital as it initiates the process of updating permissions. Once you click the share icon, you will have several options to customize access for others. To add a new editor, type their email address into the designated field in the sharing window. Make sure that the drop-down menu next to the email entry is set to Editor. This ensures that the person you are adding will have full editing capabilities. After entering the email and confirming the role, click the Send button. This will notify the new editor through email, allowing them to start collaborating on the form. Adding new editors is essential for teamwork and ensuring that your form is updated promptly. After that, if you need to change permissions for someone who already has access, find their name in the People with Access list. Click on the drop-down arrow next to their name. You will see options like Remove Access or Transfer Ownership. Selecting Remove Access will revoke their permissions entirely, while Transfer Ownership allows you to make them the new owner of the form. This flexibility is important for managing your team's roles effectively and ensuring that only the right people have access to sensitive information. Next, under General Access, you have the option to switch the link access from restricted to anyone with the link can edit or vice versa. If you choose to make it accessible to anyone with the link, be cautious, as this allows anyone who has the link to edit your form. This step is crucial as it determines how broadly your form can be shared. After making your selection, remember to click Done to save your changes. This ensures that your new settings are applied immediately. By following these steps, you can effectively manage permissions in Google Forms. This not only helps in keeping your data secure, but also enhances collaboration among team members. You now have the tools to control who can see and edit your forms, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Thank you for watching and happy form managing.